Nafi says that a man from Banu Layth said to Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu that Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports a hadith from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Qutayba's report says Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu and Nafi went along with that person. Ibn Ruhum's hadith says Nafi said that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu went while I and Lays were accompanying him, until Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reached Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "This man has told me that you report from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Don't barter silver for silver unless it is equal for equal, and don't barter gold for gold unless it is like for like." Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu, whereupon signaling with his fingers towards his eyes and ears, said, "Both these eyes of mine saw and both these ears of mine heard that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, don't sell gold for gold unless it is like for like. Don't barter silver for silver, provided it is equal for equal. Don't barter some kind of silver for less silver, and sell it hand to hand, but don't sell it on credit." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4031.